All right, everybody. Today's assignment is called Best Buy, and you're going to learn how to format row heights. You're going to insert, delete rows and columns. You're going to insert clip art and insert a page footer. We're also going to get to do further practice with our formulas. All right, so let's get started. All right, so here are the instructions, and here's an example of what it's supposed to look like after. And here is the spreadsheet beforehand. Okay, so we'll start with the first. It says format the width of column A to 65. I'm going to go ahead and skip that because you guys should know how to do that by now. Bold cell A1 and change the font size to 14 point. You should know how to do that as well. Bold rows 6 and 7. You should know how to do that. Okay, so let's look at 4. Insert a new column between column A, digital cameras, and column B, discount. Notice how I've got specific instructions in red. So you're going to click on column B and right-click and choose Insert. It's very simple. So you're going to click on column B, you're going to right-click, and you're going to click on Insert, just like that. Okay? And then we're going to go back, and okay, we're going to click on those. Okay, select all of the content in column D, list price, and move it to the new column B. So we're going to go here, and we're going to go right-click, and we're going to copy it. We're going to go to B, and we're going to go to right-click, and we're just going to paste it. Okay, just like that. And the reason that this looks weird is because I didn't do the, I'm going to go ahead and do this. There, that's why that looks strange. Now that looks better. Okay, so now it says delete the blank, delete column B, and I didn't cut and paste, I copied and pasted, so that's why it's not blank. So we'll just right-click and we will delete it. Okay? All right, so we need to delete row 20 containing the Hewlett-Packard PhotoSmart since that item has been discontinued. So we're going to go back to 20. And we're going to right-click and we're going to delete it. And then we're going to insert a new row beneath row 14 containing the Fuji Fine Picks. So we're going to click on row 15 and click Insert. So we're going to click on 15 and we're going to click on Insert. Okay? And then we're going to add Sony CyberShot 7.2. So we'll go Sony CyberShot CyberShot 7.2 megapixel digital camera. 7.2 megapixel digital camera, and the part number DSC-W7. DSC-W7. Okay, and then we have a list price of $349.99. $349.99, and a discount of $17.50. All right. And we're going to format the width of columns B through F to 10. B through F. So B, C, D, E, and F. And we're going to format that width 10. And we're going to right align cells B6 to F28, B6 to F28, and we want that right aligned. Okay. And we're going to select rows 9 through 28 and change the row height to 18. So 9 through 28. 9 through 28. You just drag that down. And again, we're going to format, and we want to format row height this time. And we want to format that to 18. Okay. And let's see what's next. Okay. Compute the formulas for the first camera as follows. So the sales price equals the list price minus the discount. So remember, we need to use the sum command to do that. So basically what we want to do is we want to subtract these two numbers together. Okay. Now, so we're going to go up here, and we're going to go to sum, and if it chooses the right, but we actually want it to subtract. So therefore, I may need to change this to minus. Well, let's see if that works. Okay, good. So that worked. Okay, and then we're going to do the sales tax, which is the sales price multiplied by 6%. So we've done this before. So the sales tax is going to be this price times 6%. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to more functions, and I'm going to go to product. And I need to do D9 times 6%. And there's that. And then the final price is going to be the sales price plus the sales tax, right? So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go to sum, and I want to add, I want the sum D9 to E9, right? So let's see if that works. There we go. Now what we need to do here, once we've done that, is we need to set this up so that we have B9 through F28. I kind of skipped a step, so that we've got 2 decimal places. So remember, we did that yesterday. I'm just going to do this before I autofill it. I mean, it doesn't matter how you want to do it, but I'm just going to go ahead and knock that out. So you go to numbers, you go up here, make sure it's just 2, and there you go. That looks a whole lot better. And now you're just going to drag that down. If you just double click on that, it just sends it down. Double click, just like that. Okay, and then okay, we got that, we got the 2, we got 15. Okay, we're going to insert clip art, making a digital camera. We want to put that in the blank area to the right of the Best Buy address. So we want to go up here and we want to put some clip art right in here. So we're going to go to insert, and we're going to go to clip art, pivot chart. Where's we're going to go to clip art. Where the heck is it? There it is. It's in illustrations. Duh. Okay. Illustrations, and then you go to online pictures, and it's going to load, and then we're just going to search for a camera, and you just pick the picture, pick a picture that you like, one that'll work, and there it is. It's a big old sucker. So then you're just going to want to size that. Sucker's huge. So we want to make that smaller. I want to move it around, make it where it's small. It should move pretty easily on the page. So whatever you like, okay? And then we're almost finished now. So we're going to just set up the page. So we want to set it up scale to fit on one page. We've done that before. Set the page orientation to landscape. Horizontal and vertical center. So again, that's in the margins tab. And custom margins. And then just make sure your spreadsheet looks fine. And that's a wrap. All right, there you go.